we need to link our Klook Disney Park tickets to our Disney account. And don't worry if you don't have a Disney account, we can make that along the way as we go. First, we're going to open our Klook Disney ticket vouchers, and these can be found on your confirmation email or in your Klook app under Account and Bookings. The Disney website that we need to visit is linked on the voucher. Just click on the link, or you can copy and paste it into your browser. It's startyourdisneylandexperience.com if you just want to type it in. It's on this website that you'll be prompted to create a Disney account if you don't already have one. If you do already have one, just log in. On the web page that you've just opened up, scroll down and select Book Theme Park Reservation. Next, you're going to select Link a Ticket or Magic Key Pass, and you'll see a sample ticket and a box directly below it. You're going to go back to your Klook ticket voucher and copy your number and then paste it or type it into that box. When you've done that, click on Add Another ID number for your next ticket, and so on until you've copied each ticket's individual number into an individual box. When all your ticket numbers have been copied, select Continue, and then this will take you to a new page. Up the top it will say who will use these, and this is where you enter everybody's individual information for each ticket. Here I'm entering my information and also my 2 children. We have 3 tickets in total. Once you've filled in the attendees' names in the ticket boxes, then you can select Confirm, and you'll be taken to this confirmation page. Select Done, and you've now successfully linked your Klook Disney California tickets to your Disney account.